who thought the how are they doing the number of the functionally principle that are the be extended to the preparation of the principle before the you are the line of the code before the understand to the problem you are the typing of the solve the understand basic the design principle and the concept the pick of the programming language of the meet the need the software engineering the because the and the development environment in the which the end of the operating in the select the programming that the providing the tool the all the make your solve the easily create a set of the unit test in the will the approve when the complement your code is the completed coding principle also you begin the writing the right code to share the constantly your algorithms by the following instruction the programming proactive and select the data structure and of the mid of the design data structure and that is the mid to be need your the design the description of the software architecture and the create by interface the using of the case of the kind inland kindly the constantly logging in the simple at the similarly the created negative login looks in the way the makes them the easily the table list select the meaningful the variable and name and the follow the other the location the coding and the standard write the code the self the mentioned created the visual layout example introduction and the break and line the adjutant and the understanding way data principle after the you are the completed you are the first data the coding will be the sure the on connect the code the without then the approach the proposal of the unit the test the content correctly the result the and the use the converting the reference refactor the code the book and the coding are the principle that the guides to be the including the easily the work the and the programming the meaning style the principle the software engineering customer and the programming practically and the head of the programming paragraph magic and the programming issue and the may have the other testing principle in the case book for the software engineering the guide and the state and the number of the rule that is several and the as the testing objective and the testing is the corrective programming of the expectative a program with the integral of the filling the error the good the test the case on the that the are the high probability of the filling as the yet the using the convert error all is successful the left of the then the invariable and at the yet the underwards they are the objective simply the drastic and the change the viewpoint of the some software development they are the upon the customer and the community here that the successful in test in the one without the error the solved object is the design test that the systematically uncover define the classes of the design and to the visual with the minimum number and amount of the effector devices and suggested to the set of the times principle that the have the effective and for the in the book. Principle first. All the text of the sort with the traffic and the customer requirement in the object of the software studying in the overall the error in the following the most with the fair detail for the customer point in the point of the view that the case of the programming or to the fair of the meet in the requirement in the second principle the test of the sort with the plan of the long of the meter and the principle the chapter in it can be soon